What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, I have back my friend Jessica. Jessica, you have seen her before. She did a video a long time ago. But we are back. We're actually going to do a shoot for a submittal, me and her today. So this video is really going to be all about, I'm going to show you how to shoot in very harsh sunlight. This is what this video is going to be kind of about. I'm going to do the intro now. We're just going to wait until golden hour hits, and I'm going to come back and want to show you what's going to go on then. What would you like to say?
I'm excited, and let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, and of course, if you like her and want to work with her, all the stuff is going to be in the description below, along with my shit as well. It's going to pop on the screen.
Click it, follow it.
Click it, follow it, do all that good jazz. And of course, I'll see you at the end of the video.
got me up here, catching on like a fire. Let go of your fear.
You made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Jessica and I just put
We put in
a lot of work. We did put a lot of work in. Hope you enjoyed to see us how we shot in that nice golden harsh type light. Of course, again, these photos are going to be for submission. So of course, if you made it this far, of course you're going to see some photos, but some of them you just may not see because they're going to get submitted and we just can't put them out there just yet.
Yes, exactly. They're super secret.
They are super secret.
Yeah, special.
Submission photos. How did you enjoy today's shoot?
I loved it.
Was
Wonderful time. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Even though it took 2 years to shoot with me again, people.
Hey, we're here though.
2 years.
Has it been 2 years?
2 years to show me.
Bless.
But that's not either here or there. Of course, if you want to work with her or you want to do anything, just please hit her up, and the stuff is going to be in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped up on the screen by now as well. And of course, if you like my work, please consider yourself subscribing to this YouTube channel because I always have some fun.
That's right.
That's right. And of course, the next video.
Yes, absolutely.
Peace.
Bye.